So what does a top-down approach mean for my email? Well, first of all, always choose email as your first means of contact. Don't use a phone. Germans don't want to get to know you via phone. They like email. Secondly, be mindful of your writing style. Be very formal and familiarize yourself with the German writing. And thirdly, choose your timing right, because recruiters will most likely read your email on Monday morning, so it's best to send your email on the weekend. So, how do I actually find a contact? How do I get in touch with people in Germany? Well, there are several possibilities, and we rank them according to their formality. So you definitely want to start with the firm website, and you will most likely find a button that says contact or career. So have a look at the website first before trying other options. But we also quite often use Stepstone and Monster as job boards. So you will find plenty of jobs on those job boards. And obviously, getting in touch with people via LinkedIn or the German LinkedIn called Xing is pretty easy too. So just try to look for people on LinkedIn that work in your requested company. And last but not least, exploit social networks, especially when looking for a job at a startup. You might be more lucky on Facebook than on any of the other options. So when you found your respective contact, how should you get in touch? Like, how do you approach them? Well, when you write your email or your message on social media, tell them why you're interesting to them. What value can you add? Furthermore, why did you choose their company? What do you find appealing, what they're doing, and why do you want to work for them? And the most important part of that message should be to invite them to respond to you. Leave an open-ended question or any other possibility that makes them want you to respond to you. Okay, now to put theory to practice, you want to start off by highlighting your name in your email. And for the most important part, explain the value you can add to the company. The second paragraph of the first section should highlight further information on your education, skills, and abilities. In the second section, you want to explain why you chose the company and, if you can, how you found them. Mention their unique business approach and why you think you're a cultural fit to them. In the last section, you want to build a bridge to your next message. You want to invite the contact person to reply to your email. And you also need to mention that you attach documents so they don't get lost in all the hurry. Express how excited you are and don't forget to thank your contact.